what's up guys? Mike with A&M here, and today we reached a goal for 2022 and we got a brand new truck. So let's check it out. All right guys, so I got a Ram 2500 probably like a couple months ago, and it was one of my goals in 2022 to get a new truck, and I did, but that truck actually ended up being a money pit, that other truck. So this is the new truck we got, so let's check it out. As you can see, it is a very nice truck. It's a 3500 HD 2022 Chevrolet. It'll easily pull this trailer, no problem. It's got the 8-foot bed on it, which is a nice feature. We're actually gonna get this all sprayed on the inside here as well. But I'm gonna put all my tools in here eventually. It's got huge back seats, guys. We come in here, plenty of room. I mean, I'm 300 pounds and my legs still have about 7-8 inches, so that feature is absolutely awesome. I can maybe put some tools in here as well. It's got the step up there for my toolbox here. It's got the steps on the back. This tailgate, just press it, just automatically goes down. It's got a backup camera up here, which is kind of cool, but it'll easily pull this dump trailer, which is a big plus. I had to rent a truck for a couple days and that was just a real pain. It's way better when you can just dump everything with the touch of a button. So I'll go through and show you guys some of the other features in here. It does have like Bluetooth and everything for the stereo. Got my little phone holder there for my GPS, but we'll just go through some of these. So you got your speed, your trip, your fuel, how much fuel. It does do pretty good on fuel. Oh, you got your air pressure there, which I don't know what air pressure it's supposed to have, but some of those seem pretty high to me with the 80. It's got your oil life, air filter life, brake pad life, which is interesting. Your transmission fluid temperature, which that was a big one on my last one because I blew up the transmission in my other truck. We traded that in. The engine hours, and that's pretty much it. But to turn on the towing mode, all you do is turn this, which is interesting. It's not working. I wonder if it's got to be in drive to do that. Yeah, see that little towing thing comes up. So that's cool. It's got this is how you do 4-wheel drive too. It's just buttons on the side. Usually it's like a stick, but we'll put it back in 2-wheel drive. We don't need it. But yeah, then it's got the lights in the back. This is for your cruise control, your lights. I'm actually a little scared to drive it for the stuff that we do, which is junk removal. It should be able to tow about 17,000 pounds as well. It's a big truck. Like, you can barely park that in a parking spot. It's enormous. That's how big my dump trailer is. Compared to that, it's probably got like, I don't know, 2-3 feet on that. So. But yeah guys, one of our goals for 2022 was to get a new truck. We got that Dodge Ram, like I said, but I'm probably gonna get rid of that because that thing has just become a money pit. So now we got this truck. I got rid of my black truck, so this is the truck you guys will be seeing. And I might actually do some decal or something. I might get A&M put on here at some point, just A&M junk removal or A&M quality services. And then now we're looking like a real unit here. So when I show up with this truck and this trailer, we're ready to get stuff done. This thing can tow so much. So it's absolutely awesome, guys. Look forward to seeing this truck now in all the videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and let me know what you guys think of the new truck. See you next time.